How to find saved passwords on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved passwords on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one here, security. And now here we'll find password vault. Click on it. Now just type your phone password, and as you see here you will find your saved passwords data, and here you can manage it. Here you can disable save and autofill usernames and passwords. And that's how to find saved passwords on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.